Hi, I'm Rick Schneider and you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're going to teach you how to parallel park, starting with the camera girl behind. She's Taylor in the parallel park. So as you can see, we just have some pylons set up here. So we're going to teach you how to parallel park in 4 easy steps. Step 1, reverse right. Step 2, reverse straight. Step 3, reverse left, and then pull forward right at the end. Now I'm going to show you how you do each 4 of these steps. The first thing you want to do before you even prepare is you see these 2 vehicles. You can say this is some type of Ford truck, pickup truck, and this is probably some eco-friendly Tesla. So you want to pull up your vehicle up between these cars. Before you start to pull up, turn on your right signal to indicate that you're going to be turning right into this spot, but also brake 3 times. It's just a good family-friendly rule to let the driver behind you know, hey, I'm the AB parallel parking. As you pull forward with your vehicle, you want to make sure that there's enough space between these 2 vehicles. You want about 1.5 car lengths between this vehicle. If there's not, you just won't have enough space. You can't just magically go whoop and teleport into there. You need enough space to move around the vehicles to fit your 1 vehicle in there. So as you pull up, the easiest way to set up and set yourself up every single time, so you can do this, is match your mirror with the mirror of this vehicle with your rear ends lined up. That way it's easy to get into this space and set yourself up from the beginning. Now we're going to go on to step 1. So step 1, and you want to start reversing your vehicle and set it up saying your vehicle's rear tire matches up the rear of the vehicle. If you are in a car, the easiest way to do this is your B pillar from your window is almost always set up where your rear tire is. That lined up with the back of your vehicle is a great way to start positioning into this. Once you are in this position, you can start step 1. With step 1, you want to turn your wheel to the right. What this does is it will swing the rear of your vehicle right as well. And you want to follow through with this until your vehicle is lined up like this. So your rear tire will still match up with the rear of the vehicle, but as you can see, your vehicle is now at an angle. From this point, you want to start on step 2 and go straight backwards. Now, you want to go straight backwards. Your front tire is lined up with this vehicle. Now, the easiest way to remember that if you're in a car, especially this car, is where your mirror is. Your mirror is pretty much typically above your right tire and it will line up perfect. Now you want to turn the vehicle to the left. What this will do is swing the rear end to the left as well by turning in. And you want to do this as you are reversing. This will swing the front end of the vehicle that way and line you up in between the 2 vehicles. The next step you want to do, just to prepare yourself and everything, because sometimes you can overdo it and be a little bit crooked, or you cannot be fully straight and be that way a little bit off. The easiest way to fix that, and you want to give yourself a little bit of room for it anyways, because you will be smacked up against this guy's bumper, which you don't want. Your last step is to pull forward, center yourself in the space between the 2 vehicles. Now you can throw her in park and you're ready to go. Now it's her turn to do that.
Great.
So I'm going to show you first how to do this from an outside perspective, and then the girl behind the camera is going to learn how to do it and do it herself. So before you even start step 1, is line your vehicle up. Now, to get out of this, all you do is do the exact opposite. Reverse a little bit to get yourself some space, turn left, pull straight, and turn right and rejoin the road. So now, swapping over to the learner. I'm just gonna wedge this in here Now here's a little tip. Before you start driving in anything, once you get into a vehicle, make sure to adjust all the mirrors and the seats to comfortable to the driver. The reason for that is you're driving the damn vehicle. It must be able so you can see all your corners and your angles. Because guess what? I'm not driving, she is.
And I'm smaller than you.
So before even step one, just get your vehicle in place.
And I
Turn on your right signal.
Well, I'm pulling forward first. I listened very well to the instructions, clearly. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna turn right.
No, you want to line up your rear wheel, your rear B-pillar.
So reverse.
Yeah.
Okay, and now I turn right.
Yeah, turn the wheel all the way to the right.
Oh. Just a little
Okay, stop.
harsh on the gears. It looks fine. It looks fine.
Okay, straighten your wheel out.
I think this is straight.
Go straight back. You're still turning.
No.
Turn your wheel to the left. Turn all the way to the left. It's fine.
Left.
Yeah, and reverse. Stop. You don't want to hit the vehicle now.
No, not yet.
Now pull forward and straighten yourself out.
Okay, I don't think this is straight. I'm going
Yeah. Well,
That's
they want to
straight.
turn right a little bit.
well,
You want to straighten the vehicle out.
no, that was not in drive. This is in drive. Arguably that's straight. Arguably it's straight.
And you parallel parked.
I'm never gonna get my license.
Let's try it a few more times. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you parallel park.